Hello students, welcome to my channel. Today we will discuss the topic mutation and the types of mutation in chromosomes and also in the genes, because genes that are present in the chromosome. So firstly the chromosomal mutation we will discuss. Chromosomal mutation. It is very clear from the name that if mutation takes place in chromosome, then it is known as chromosomal mutation. And what is chromosome? Chromo means the colored and soma means the body. So if we stain the genetic material, the DNA, then the chromosome that is stained or that is colored, we can see the chromosome. So it is known as a chromosome. Suppose this is the diagram of chromosome, and there are the two lobes in the chromosome, and if two chromosomes are together, then we can say these are the homologous chromosomes. Homologous chromosomes. So today we have to discuss the topic chromosomal mutation. So in chromosomal mutation, it is of two types. First, that is the morphological mutation, and second is the numeric mutation. So what is the meaning of morphology? Morphology means if there is the change in the form of the chromosome, then it is known as morphological mutation. And if there is the change in the number of chromosome, then it is known as numeric mutation. So firstly we will discuss morphological mutation, means if there is the change in the form of the chromosome, and there are the different types of morphological mutation. First, that is the deletion. Second, duplication. Third, that is the inversion. And fourth, translocation. So there are the four types of morphological chromosomal mutation. First is deletion, second duplication, third inversion, and fourth is translocation. So let us discuss each one by one. So first, that is the deletion. So it is very clear from the name. Deletion means कि अगर हम किसी चीज़ को डिलीट कर दें तो उसको हम बोलेंगे डिलीशन, मीन्स उसको हम रिमूव कर दें. तो फर्स्ट, दैट इज़ द डिलीशन. सपोज here one chromosome is present, and in this chromosome the sequence is 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. So this sequence is present. If deletion takes place, means if the removal takes place, suppose this 7 8, the removal of this 7 8 sequence is done, then what happened? Now the chromosome is here, and what are the sequence in the chromosome now? 1 2 3 4 5 and 6. Now this 7 and 8 sequence, that is deleted, and this type of chromosomal mutation, that types is known as deletion. So I think you understood. So this sequence 7 8 sequence, that is deleted from the chromosome, and if this sequence code for a particular type of protein or code for a particular type of character, then that character will not be present in the progeny because this part that is removed from the chromosome. Now the second type, that is the duplication. Second type is duplication. So it is very clear from the name, duplication means कि कोई जो चीज़ है वो क्या हो जाएगी, रिपीट हो जाएगी, उसको हम बोलेंगे डुप्लीकेशन. सपोज here one chromosome is present and in this chromosome the sequence is 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. So if any sequence that is duplicated, like the second chromosome is here, and if any sequence of them, if it is repeated, then we can say it is duplication. So now the sequence 1 2 3 4 5 6 5 6 and 7 8. Now this sequence 5 6 that is repeated in this chromosome and it is known as duplication. So the second type of the morphological mutation in case of chromosome, that is the duplication. Next is inversion. So what is the meaning of inversion? Inversion का meaning होता है कि कोई भी सीक्वेंस अगर वो रिवर्स होके वहीं पर सेट हो जाए तो उसको हम बोलेंगे इन्वर्जन. सो नेक्स्ट थर्ड टाइप, दैट इज inversion. Again we are taking the example of a chromosome, and in this chromosome the sequence here now A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H. Now inversion takes place means कोई भी जो सीक्वेंस है वो अपोजिट हो जाएगी और उस क्रोमोसोम में वो लग जाएगी. सपोज हेयर H एंड G, H जो है वो पहले आ जाए और G बाद में आ जाए तो उसको हम बोलेंगे inversion. So again chromosome is here and now the sequence A, B, C, D, E, F, but firstly H and then G. So inversion takes place here. मीन्स जो सीक्वेंस है वो क्या हो जाएगी, अपोजिट हो जाएगी और उसी क्रोमोसोम में वो लग जाएगी तो उसको हम बोलेंगे इन्वर्जन. सो वी हैव स्टडीड डिलीशन, देन डुप्लीकेशन एंड देन इन्वर्जन. नाउ व्हाट इज लेफ्ट, दैट इज द ट्रांसलोकेशन. फोर्थ टाइप, that is translocation. And one thing is important in translocation, that here we have to take two chromosome, means two homologous chromosome we have to take. In all the first three types we have taken only one chromosome, but in translocation we have to take two chromosome and those two chromosomes are homologous. Homologous means जो chromosomes जो हैं इकट्ठे रहते हैं. Like in case of human being there are the 23 pairs, first pair, second pair, third pair. So all these chromosomes which are in pair, these are the homologous chromosome. So firstly one chromosome and second is also the homologous chromosome of this. And in the first the sequence is 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8, and in the second the sequence is A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H. So that is the first chromosome and that is the second chromosome. So what happened here, the translocation takes place. Translocation means कि जो ये कोई भी पार्ट है एक क्रोमोसोम का वो दूसरे में ट्रांसफ़र हो जाएगा. सो इन द सेकेंड क्रोमोसोम व्हाट हैपन, that is the first chromosome and that is the second chromosome. And in the second chromosome, firstly A, B, C, D, then E, F, G, H also there, but this 7, 8 that is inserted in the second chromosome. So it is the translocation. Sometime it is also known as reciprocal translocation. So what happen in reciprocal translocation? If there is the translocation takes place between the two chromosome, मीन्स जो ये 7, 8 पार्ट है ये इसमें आ जाएगा और ये GH पार्ट या कोई भी रैंडमली कोई भी पार्ट है वो दूसरे क्रोमोसोम में चला जाएगा. मीन्स दोनों में शिफ्टिंग होगी, दोनों के अंदर एक्सचेंज होगा, तो उसको हम बोलेंगे reciprocal translocation. So I think you understood the chromosomal mutation and firstly the morphological mutation. So in morphological mutation, change in the form of the chromosome, there is the no change in the chromosome number, only the structure of the chromosome is changed, and there are the 4 types. First, that is the deletion, second duplication, third inversion, and fourth is translocation. So you understood all. Now we have to discuss the next type of chromosomal mutation, the numeric mutation. Numeric mutation means if there is the change in the number of chromosomes, suppose chromosome 1, 2, 3. So in case of human being there are the 23 pairs of chromosomes, or we can say 46 chromosomes are present, and if their number is increasing like 47 or 48, or this chromosome is decreasing like 44, 45, so this increasing or decreasing in the number of the chromosome, that is the numeric mutation in the chromosome, and so it is known as the numeric mutation in chromosome. So let us discuss the type of numeric mutation. So now the types of chromosomal mutation on the basis of the chromosome number, and that is the numeric mutation. It is known as the numeric mutation. So there are the 2 types of numeric mutation. First is the euploidy and second is aneuploidy. So what is the meaning of euploidy? Means if the number of chromosomes that are increasing or decreasing but that is in the set, अगर सेट क्रोमोसोम नंबर के जो सेट हैं वो इंक्रीज़ हो रहे हैं या डिक्रीज़ हो रहे हैं तो उसको हम बोलेंगे यूप्लॉइडी. और एनयूप्लॉइडी में क्रोमोसोम्स नंबर इंक्रीज़ और डिक्रीज़ वो सेट में नहीं होंगे, एक क्रोमोसोम नंबर बढ़ेगा या दूसरा बढ़ेगा, बट दे आर नॉट इंक्रीजिंग और डिक्रीजिंग इन द सेट. सो व्हाट इज़ यूप्लॉइडी? इन केस ऑफ यूप्लॉइडी द नंबर ऑफ क्रोमोसोम्स that are changing in sets. So there are the 2 sets of chromosome, or we can say in case of human being they are the diploid organism. So if only one set is there, then that one term is there, haploid. Haploid means single set of chromosome. Suppose in case of human being, haploid number of chromosomes that are 23 and the diploid number that is 46. Then the diploid condition, haploid, it is also known as n number or the haploid. Most of the time it is asked that what is the ploidy of the organism. प्लॉइडी मीन्स कि वो ऑर्गेनिज़म हैप्लॉइड है, उसमें सिंगल सेट है, उसमें डबल सेट्स हैं या उसमें 3 सेट्स हैं. सो दैट इज़ आस्क्ड. सो हैप्लॉइड मीन्स द n number. So haploid having the single set of chromosome. Then diploid, diploid means 2n, or we can say the two sets of chromosomes. So in case of human being, the two sets of chromosomes diploid number, that is 46, and if there are the three set, then we can say triploid. You all are aware about the endosperm. So the endosperm, that is the reserve food of the embryo, or that provide the nourishment to the developing embryo. It is triploid, means it is 3n. So 3n, triploid. And if 4 are there, then we can say tetraploid. More than 4, polyploids. So polyploidy. Polyploidy also we will discuss in the next topic. Polyploidy means more than 3 sets of chromosome if they are increasing, and this polyploidy is very common in case of plants. Next is the aneuploidy. So what is the meaning of aneuploidy? Aneuploidy means the number of chromosome that is increasing plus minus 1, means if 1 is increasing or 1 is decreasing, or plus minus 2 if 2 are increasing or decreasing, but they are not in the sets. In euploidy, the chromosome sets are increasing or decreasing, but here only one chromosome or the both the chromosome are increasing or decreasing. So let's take the example of minus 1. Suppose here generally there are the 2 homologous chromosome in each organisms, means there are the sets of the chromosomes in each organisms, and if out of those 2, if 1 is removed, then we can say it is minus 1, and this condition is monosomy. So what is this? Monosomy. And if both are removed, then this condition is nullisomy. minus 2 means दोनों में से दोनों ही नहीं हैं. अगर एक नहीं होगा तो उसको हम बोलेंगे मोनोसोमी, और अगर दोनों ही नहीं होंगे उसको हम बोलेंगे नलीसोमी. लेट्स टेक द एग्जांपल ऑफ एडिशन, कि अगर एक क्रोमोसोम एक्स्ट्रा हो जाए तो वी कैन टेक द एग्जांपल ऑफ क्रोमोसोम नंबर 21st in case of a human being. So there are the 23 pairs, so I am taking chromosome number 21. So chromosome 21, that is in the pair, and if one chromosome is increasing, one extra chromosome is there, then this condition is trisomy. Now 3 chromosomes are there, so this condition is trisomy. And very good example of trisomy, that is the Down syndrome, and those we will discuss in the topic chromosomal disorder. So this topic mutation, that is briefly explained in your NCERT, but that is the base of many topics like chromosomal disorders and the mutation. So you have to study this topic in detail. So aneuploidy, there are the monosomy and the nullisomy, and if 1 is increasing, then trisomy, and if 2 are increasing, then we can say tetrasomy. So that is the numeric mutation, means if there is the increase or decrease in the chromosome number. And in case of every organism, nature has set something, and if there is the increase or decrease in these chromosomes or in the change in the gene sequence, then that organism will be abnormal, or in that organism mutation takes place, in that organism variation takes place, and due to variation then evolution takes place. And if these variations are beneficial, then that organism can survive, and if these variations are not beneficial, then that organism is unable to survive. So in this video we have discussed the topic chromosomal mutation. So chromosomal mutation, that is of 2 types. First is the morphological mutation and second is the numeric. So in morphological mutation there are the further 4 types. First, deletion, duplication, inversion and translocation, and the second the numeric mutation. In the numeric mutation, two types, euploidy and aneuploidy, and further I think you all understood. So that is about the chromosomal mutation. Thank you.